So in this particular case, I'm going to use the font size approach to tackling the space between these elements. All right, I'm going to refresh the page. And now in our styles, what I'm going to do is set the font size here to 0. And then we're going to use the same font size across all of the different elements here. And it might make sense to use a variable for this as well. So copy this variable and we'll call this search form font size. And it will be px2rem and we'll pass 16 to it. And let's replace this with the variable. And we'll copy this and paste it over into our phrase and submit. Save it and refresh the browser. Okay, so we're getting much closer here. Let's finish tackling the border in this input. So what we'll do is set a common border around the whole outside, and then we'll override the border left. So we'll use the shorthand property border to set it to 1 pixels, solid, and then we'll grab a color from our palette that matches this gray. So I'm going to jump over to our variables, and I think we should maybe go with medium dark gray at this point. So I'll add the variable medium dark gray. We'll see how that works. Also, while we're here, let's set the color for our search input too, since we haven't set that and it could be a slightly different gray. So let's just do border color since the size looks all right. And again, medium dark gray. All right, and then up here we need to override so we don't have a border on the left-hand side because the border is already being set by our select box. So we'll do border left and we'll just put none. Save it and refresh. Ooh, this is looking pretty hot. The border is a little dark, so let's try a lighter color really quick. We'll try medium gray. I'm just gonna test it out in our input first. I'll save it and refresh. Okay, that actually maybe looks a little bit closer to the mockup. So let's stick with that. Let's use medium gray down here for our border color as well.